Today we learn about communicating effectively thought email and Skype. Content introduction email communication mistakes Skype communication Skype KIA practice cultural and time zone tools summary. Next topic is email communication. Clarity be clear and to the point. Tone keep it professional and polite. Structure use paragraph bullet point and headings. Proofread grammar and spelling matter. Timelines respond within 24 hours. Another topos is common email mistakes to avoid. Vague subject lines. Using casual or aggressive tone. Overuse of CC, BBC. Sending large attachments without notice. Next one is Skype communication. Treat Skype like a professional tool. Be punctual for calls or meetings. Check your environment before a call. Use proper audio or video etiquette. Next topic is Skype messaging etiquette. Be brief and clear. Use proper grammar and punctuation. Avoid all caps or too many emojis. Don't expect immediate replies for non-urgent messages. Another topic is Skype call best practices. Test audio, video before joining. Mute when not speaking. Use headphones to reduce noise. Be aware of body language and facial expressions. End with a clear summary or next steps. And time zone sensitivity. Be mindful of time zones when scheduling. Use neutral, inclusive language. Avoid slang or idioms that may confuse non-native speakers. Next topic is tools to support effective communication. Grammarly or spell check tools. Scheduling assistance, e.g., Outlook,